Hi, I'm Jim from AbleNet. Today, I'm going to show you how to put the new QuickTalker Freestyle case onto the QuickTalker Freestyle Mini. Before you begin, you will need to remove the outer silicone shell and black plastic frame from the old case. The old case is not compatible with the new case, and both parts will need to be replaced. Begin by adding the inner frame to the case of your device. Notice the location of the notch for the charger port. Be sure to align this notch with the charger port on the QuickTalker Freestyle Mini. Verify everything is aligned correctly. The charger port should be exposed. Next, add the inner frame and QuickTalker Freestyle Mini to the outer silicone case. Make sure the edges of the outer silicone case are tucked into the inner frame. The silicone should be flush around the edges of the entire case. Your QuickTalker Freestyle is now ready to use.